Here we have a 70 plate BMW X5 XDRIVE45E M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £11,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. Just to mention a few of them, we do have the M Sport Pro package, the technology, comfort and also visibility packages. Now we do also have the 21-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all of which in excellent condition and unmarked, with the blue M Sport brake calipers behind. We have the black sapphire metallic paintwork. We also have the LED headlights. We do have the gloss black front grills. Here's a look at that front end. You've also noticed the gloss black front splitter. Now we do also have the M Performance kit on this vehicle, so as we come around to the passenger side, you'll find the side skirts running along the bottom. We do also have the air suspension, so the vehicle can raise or lower, and it's currently set to the lowest setting. We have colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We do have the charging port just there. Roof rails up top with the shark fin antennae and the rear spoiler. We also have the front and rear parking sensors with 360-degree cameras. We then have the power operated tailgate, which is split. We also have the dual legs exhaust, again with the rear diffuser. Coming back round to the driver's side now, you find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. And if we take a quick look at the interior, so coming into the back first, you'll then find the leather seats, foldable armrests in the centre and fixed ISO points as well back here. We also have the vents down there for the rear passengers, and both of the outer seats are also heated. We do also have the M Sport style seat belts. On the doors you'll find the brushed metal handles, electric windows, nice wooden effect trim and the Harman Kardon sound system. Taking a look at the front, you'll find the same leather seats, with both front seats being electrically adjustable. That also are both heated as well, and they do have the memory functions, as you can see, controlled just there on the doors. Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors and electric windows with child lock for the rear. We also have the automatic lights down here, or ambient lighting, which runs all throughout the vehicle as well. Automatic wipers just here, multifunctional steering wheel, which is also electrically adjustable and heated. Digital dashboard in front of us. If you put a foot on the brake, press the start button, then the vehicle will start up for us. You can see the steering wheel starting to move. The stalk is down there to adjust it. We have the cruise control and speedometer here on the left hand side. High beam assist just there on the left as well. Heated steering wheel button is here in the centre, so we can just press the button and then it will activate. As you can see, it appears just there on the dashboard. We also have the heads up display. Now if that's flickering, or if any of the screens are flickering, it's just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, it's nothing to worry about. You see we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We do have the main infotainment screen, it's currently showing the sat-nav. Plenty of features on here. It is touchscreen, but we do also have the buttons down here. So we click onto media. You've got the radio stations along with the other media options on the left. Bluetooth phone connectivity as well for phone calls. Going on to the apps, you can see we have a few apps that are currently installed. We also have the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And then going on to the main menu, if we go up to car, onto the settings, you'll find the interior ambient lighting just here. Plenty of colours which you can go through. We do also have the intelligent safety system, making it a safe vehicle to drive. Further down, you'll find we've got again the wooden effect trim running across there, matched with the ambient lighting. Really makes the interior a nice place to be. Heated seat buttons either side. We do also have the ice-cold air conditioning, dual zone climate control for the front passengers. Wooden effect trim continues here in the centre with the ambient lighting either side. Inside of here you've got the wireless phone charging, 12-volt connectivity. We also have the cup holders which can be heated or cooled. Automatic gearbox with the different drive modes paired with the air suspension, so you can see we can press onto adaptive and it will start to change the air suspension height, and then have electric, hybrid and also sport as well. Also pops up on the dashboard as you flick through them. Putting the car into reverse, you'll find the reversing camera. We also have the 360 view on the right. Put it into drive, change it to the front facing camera. If we go over to the left, we also have the 3D view where we can go all the way around the vehicle 360 degrees, and you can see each angle works just as you would expect it to. So as we make all the way around, you can see each camera works. Then if we go back over to the left, we also have the car wash view, which is a top down view of the front end. Putting it back into park by pressing P, we then have the electric handbrake, auto hold button and the hill descent control. Leather armrest just here in the centre, which can be opened up for more storage, and it's also heated as well, so if you press the heated seat button, then this side of the armrest will heat, and that one isn't on, so this one stays cool, whereas that one will heat up with the driver's seat as well. That's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching.